Hey fam, if you've been trying to grow a wider back but just haven't been able to, or just don't feel it in your back muscles at all, right, this is gonna be for you. Hey, what's up? Hock here to share with you the best tips and mindset to help you on your health and fitness goals. On this channel, I'm gonna break down exercises, workouts and nutrition to help you stay on track and also achieve more than what you believe was possible. So if you're new here, do consider subscribing. And without further ado, let's jump right back and get to activating your back. I'm going to show you how you can do it better through this exercise called the bended row. So if you've been trying to do a lot of bended rows and you are not actually growing your back muscles or feeling it at all, it's probably because you are doing a lot of bicep work. Alright, so in this case here, my shoulders are not moving at all. You can see most of the movement is actually through the elbows, and I'm actually using more of my elbow than my back. So what I want you to do is go ahead and visualize this line with your body, alright, and visualize the point of your shoulder joint, and make sure that every single time that you do a row, you are crossing that line with that point every single time. Alright, so in this case, I want you to try not bending your elbows at all to start, and every single time just kind of move it through that line. Give this a try and I'm pretty sure you are going to straight away feel your back being activated. If you've liked this or you found this helpful, give this a share. Alright, until next time, embrace yourself and evolve.